Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create patterns in CorelDRAW and apply it to your existing designs. So let's begin with CorelDRAW. So as you can see, we have already created one pattern. So first of all I'll teach you how to create a pattern in CorelDRAW and then later we'll learn how to apply it to the existing designs. So for this particular pattern I am going to take a polygon, and with the help of control I am going to create a perfect polygon. And now I will go to pick tool, double click to come to the rotate mode, and now I am going to change my rotation from center to this point. Now very quickly with the help of my left click I am going to move it and then press right click simultaneously to form a copy. Once my second polygon is created, I am going to repeat the step which I have just applied. So for this I am going to apply Ctrl plus R. So I have to press multiple times Ctrl plus R, and once it has completed the cycle, I am going to select all polygons in a single click, apply color to it, and then I am going to apply combine. As you can see, pattern is ready. I can remove the outline. Now for creating a pattern there are multiple ways. So this is one way of creating a pattern. The same pattern can be created with the help of transform as well. I'll show you how. Now this time I'm going to use different shape and different technique. I'm going to use star and I'm going to use transform docker. So you will find the transform docker in the docker list. Just click on the transform over here. It is already checked, so I'll just click and enable the transform. And now I'm going to select from which part I want to rotate this, and this will give a very different pattern from the earlier one. So double click, I will change my rotation point to this point, and now I'm going to define the angle. What should be the angle between two stars and how many copies I want. So I'm taking 23 copies. When I click on apply, you will see we have got a completely different pattern. So quickly I'm going to apply color to it. Right click and apply combine. I'm going to remove the outline and it look completely different from the previous one. At any point of time, because it is vector, I can change the color or I can apply multiple colors to it. Interactive fill, fountain fill, radial. In the inside I'm going to apply red, and on the outer part I'm going to apply yellow. Now we have created two different patterns, and now if I want to apply the same pattern to any shape, so what we can do is, let's say I want to apply on this particular shape. So for that we need to first export this pattern as a bitmap. So how you can do this? We need to simply select the pattern, go to export docker. Now whatever is selected, click on the add selection. Now I'm going to select this as a PNG file. I'll give a name to it, pattern 3, and now I'm going to export this PNG file. Now once the PNG is exported, let's say I want to apply this to the design which I have created. Let me ungroup it, select this, go to interactive fill, bitmap pattern. As you can see, it has applied the default pattern which is there in the CorelDRAW. Now I want to apply the same pattern which I have created right now. So for that I am going to click on edit fill, and now from the source I am going to choose the pattern which I have just created. This is the pattern 3 which I have created right now. I am going to select this, click on import, and now same pattern has been imported and applied to the selected shape. For example, if I want to change this blend type, so I can click over here. I can even reduce the size of my pattern Currently it is 4 inches by 4 inches. I'm going to apply 1 by 1 inches. As you can see a difference over here. I can also apply angle to my pattern. So let me apply a 45-degree of angle. And now when I click on OK, as you can see that a pattern which we have just created is applied to the selected object. In the similar manner, if I want to apply a different pattern to the above shape, I am going to select this interactive fill, bitmap pattern. As you can see, it is applied a pattern, but I am going to apply a different pattern to it. So I am going to click on edit fill, change the source from here, click on import, and now the pattern has been imported. I am going to reduce the width and height of it. I can change the blending mode. I am also having the option to apply a mirror horizontal or vertical. And this time I'm not going to apply any angle to it, and I'll click on simple OK. Now when I zoom and show it to you, very easily we are able to create pattern and apply it to the selected shape. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.